Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill. We're going to talk Forex. Traders, it's a Monday morning. I'm about 3.5 hours late today. I've had an issue with my charting program. I can't get it to move from one screen to the other. I don't know what's going on. I have not touched nothing. It's been a disastrous weekend. It started to show a little sunlight Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, until I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning at my charts at 5:45, put on my charts, they don't work. However, we have a backup. So at least we got some charts and we can talk Forex. All right, so we'll get to data and what's coming out today in just a moment. Let's talk about what's in front of us. Traders, this is the euro dollar. All right, this is the euro dollar. And this charting package is called tradingview.com. It's an awesome, awesome package. I recommend it. It's just a great thing. If you're with certain brokers, you can trade right off these charts, which I can do. And it's just really nice, really nice. All right, so what we have here is the dollar sold off due to data that came out on Friday out of the U.S. So the dollar got strong, right? Dollar strong. Oil is itching to that $60 a barrel $60 a barrel that we talked about last week. And I think that's, relevant. I think oil is going to go to that $60 a barrel. It's going to go up and down for a while, and then it's going to do what it did at 50. It's just going to hang out there. It's not going to do anything. And I think that's what's going to happen. I think in time, we're going to see oil's going to start to creep up a little bit at a time. All right, so let's talk about this euro. I didn't mean to go back and forth. I've got a lot on my mind. So what do we got here? Euro dollar, 30-minute chart. You can see this is now starting to pull back up. I want to see this go back to the 50% Fibonacci level. At the 50% Fibonacci level, we are going to look to sell this, as you can see the arrow on the chart, and that would be at 1.1635. 1.1635, 1.1640. If it overshoots, it's okay, or even 50. If it overshoots, who cares? Remember, if it overshoots your entry, just wait. As long as it doesn't take out the top of the fib, right, which would be 1.1660, if it doesn't take that area out of the top of the fib, just leave it alone. The other thing you can do is you can redo your fib. You can do I just did the fib of the current swing. You could have done the fib from the high and then take that back down, okay? Sorry about the background noise. My doors and windows are open, and I can't do nothing about sirens. All right, so that's what we're looking for here. Traders, it's real important that we understand there is no shortcutting this entry. This entry's got to come back to that 50% fib or the 618 fib, which either one. I talked about both, and I know I hopped on the 50%. That's at 1645, and that's okay. So 1635, 1645, in that where that arrow is, look to short this. That's what's going on with the euro today. Let's take a look at now, I don't have any of my markings on my charts, so we're going to have to work on that today and see what we can do to get that taken care of. So let's take a look at, which has been really bearish, is the New Zealand dollar. Let's take a look at the New Zealand dollar. So this is the New Zealand dollar 30-minute chart, as you can see, and it's just selling off. It's just continuing to sell off nicely. It's doing well. It's just selling off. Again, you would do the same trade. You're just going to fib this. Whoa, easy there, buddy. All right, yeah, we're just going to fib this. And we'll just take a fib level here. And I'm going to take it from this, this high. We'll just fib it down to this low. All right. And that's what we're looking at. So this one, again, we're looking again at the 51%. The 50% Fibonacci level. The 618 is okay to take that there. You can see that's resistance, right? We sell resistance and we buy at support. So we can see how that's going to work. All right, that's what's going on charts today. I know it's little. It's just because of my issues with my computer and my charting program. Hopefully we'll get things a little bit better organized for tomorrow. Let's talk about what's coming out today. And because I've changed this around, really, I got to be honest with you, I sort of like this better because I can go from my charts to data right to my situation right here. You can see what I'm talking about. We might keep this in play. I'm starting to really like this. All right, so what do we have here? You can see the S&P futures negative 0.27%, NASDAQ down 0.31%, the Dow 30 up 0.10, with the small cap 2000 negative 0.10, S&P 500 VIX is down 7.96%, with the DAX up 0.28%, and Nikkei 225 negative 0.05, and the dollar index is negative 0.02. However, it's still at that 94. And now we're at 94.80. I think we're going to see 95 probably in the next 24 hours. This just continues to inch its way to the upside. Let's take a look at oil and gold. All right, gold has dipped a little bit. It's now at 1,270.13. However, it's staying at that 270, that 1,270. It's been that way like all last week, right? So gold is just sitting there. It's not doing anything. It's just hanging out, right? All right, let's take a look at WTI is at 55.77, and Brent oil is at 62.25. So we're just keeping an eye on that. U.S. coffee is negative 0.91%. What is going on in what we can say data today? Not some stuff, but not a lot. We have PMI all over. We have Spanish PMI. We have French PMI, we have German PMI. It's a PMI day all over the place. Eurogroup meeting today, which is tentative, which we'll get an announcement as the day goes on. The U.S. has no data today. The CAD has Ivy PMI today for October. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. All right, yeah, I like this setup a little bit. We'll keep an eye on this and see how it goes. Like I said, we might stay with this plan. I might not even try to fix the other one. I might stay with this. Again, traders, tradingwithbill.com. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for being patient. We'll get it back together tomorrow. Traders, have a great trading day. Always remember to trade smart and not hard. See you tomorrow in Asia. Bye-bye.